What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to the YouTube channel.
It's a girl Angel and
I'm
back
Shawna.
with another video. You hear me?
Yeah, guys. So today,
You know when I say we alone in our time.
for most of, oh yeah, it looks so. Don't worry, I'm not earlier. For most of we've been asked to Angel, so she finally come.
Hello.
Yes, sir. So today we're gonna do the annoying Abby prank. And I know so once me and Angel team up, what us always have to drop a prank for Abby. And she miserable, so it's like fun. So before watching the video, guys, want to know, go over to Face by Lay and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Comment in our comment section, say hashtag Team Shawna send. So go and go spam our comments with hashtag Team Shawna. Subscribe. Then I'm come back and finish our prank here, guys. So if you want to see the video, smash our subscribe button.
Hit that post notification bell.
So every time I post a video, you can be notified. Leave a like, leave a comment, follow me from my Instagram at
Legendary Lishy underscore Lishy.
and I am Shawna with 2 S. Links gonna be down in the description and also on the screen. So you ready? You ready? Are you ready?
Always.
You ready?
Always.
We ready. So yeah, guys, right now we're gonna set up the camera, call Abby in the living room, and start the madness. You already know.
That man?
I never pick me them Angel. Y'all already know what's gonna go down. I know watch my nose. That is not a boogle for all of the people that in the comment section. It's a nose ring. If you don't like see my nose ring, buy me one. Anyways. Yeah, guys. So let's get it. Let's go. What's it, Angie? What's it?
Period.
Leave it. It's syrup. It's syrup.
I can't get, you know what I'm looking for? Actually, those features.
Yeah, look at cheap trade. Oh, God. Girl, cover your mouth when you're yarning. See things are cover your mouth. Things are go round now. Cover your mouth. So, what kind of video we can do? We can do a truth idea. Spicy truth idea. I don't want to do that. Can do that? We can do a rating Jamaican YouTubers. You know that? Can do that? Which one? We don't decide which one today. Abby! Abby! Come here. Yeah, one part 2 to water balloon challenge.
In part 2, what we are going to do, I have to get everything.
So now go make me so I want to quiz me?
Yeah, so you have to answer for every question.
So why do you want to team up on me?
It'd be nice, you don't know what team up on.
What is it? Come sit down. We are talking about video idea what we want for the free YouTube channel. Want to do like a
Come sit down here, so.
Come sit down here, so now Abby?
Sit down here, so.
Want to do like a truth idea or a rating Jamaican YouTubers and something. What do you think? How we gonna chat to? You want to do it or not? So you answer like you're dead?
Yeah,
we can't do it. You're a zombie, Abby? Answer with life.
Yeah, we can do it.
Abby, no shouting on face. No shouting on face, Abby. Don't shout on face. So, after we're done that one,
girl, I want you.
You gonna broke up my foot on the ground?
Your foot tough like you girl.
You just chat too much. Anyway, so.
Girl, you come see my foot right here, say something.
If it's uncomfortable, move your foot now.
Girl, I want to cock up.
we make you hungry, no, Abby. And we make you hungry. Learn for cook. So I just cook. Abby, me can't rest my hand on you. Where you going so far? What's that?
I'm a ratchet this little girl. Why you have to do that?
Abby, you know I feel I'm going, so stop going, so.
I want to mark by your skirt.
Disclaimer, guys, a part of the video I go come with mute, and the reason by me muted purposely because of YouTube rule. It mute because Angel said something in the video where I don't know it had take over the world right now, and we can't say it. So I never realized that mark on my skirt, but by only getting another video and I go see what she has said. But yeah, that mark on my skirt.
Move!
Shawna!
You can't.
I'm back spider it! No, me never see I eat mark on the skirt for sure. No, for sure.
I'm trying to get you.
I ate for true. What skirt then? What you do with the skirt?
What? Start then.
We never said no. I'm up on my skirt. Okay. See big man on her back.
Not that hard enough.
Never see I eat mark on my skirt for true. Watch there. But look how the skirt was short. I say I don't say a long time ago. Anyways. Me don't have the hand already. Come, Abby.
No.
Yeah, you want feared.
Move!
Abby, me tell us I scream at people face. Stop that. Stop that.
I'm going to cut to hear something else.
Come and pay your face.
Me don't need makeup. Me don't wear makeup. You don't leave me.
You don't wear makeup, you're old.
Come now, Abby.
Move!
Abby, stop screaming and go like a hog. Stop it. It don't sound
Me a hug. Me a hug.
We
Let me tell you.
understand. We understand. Abby, stop no girl.
Move!
We understand say a hug, but take time.
Yeah, mash up my good body. You supposed to be for fit me.
Abby, stop going so.
Girl.
Come.
Shawna, me don't want nothing from you. No move and leave me alone.
Why?
Me a go break one up, you know.
You're not broke way up now. Come here, Angel. Abby, move your foot.
Move!
Abby, stop going. Say, I idiot, stop back like a little Agna girl. We see you, stop back. It don't sound good. Where you gonna break her up? Come sit down and say, Angel. Abby, stop put your dirty foot on me. I mean, Abby, stop no girl. We see you. Stop put your dirty foot on me. Sit down. That. Go over. I saw who wants to sit down. I saw. Stop, Abby, and stop big and keep me. I'm a see you. Abby, stop no girl. I'm not stop with your big dirty foot on me. Come, Angel. Come right, yes, I come. Abby, come. Go so long,
Don't call me name.
Come in. Come. Look, what the? We want to play with you today.
Move now!
Abby, get up.
Get up now.
Alexa.
No, sir.
Yes, so we want to sit down. Come sit down, Angel. Yes, so we
Me
want.
on! Come on, family.
You gonna break her up?
When I go break me hand,
So, cock up your foot, Angel. Cock up your foot, you afraid? Abby, stop thump, Angel. Cock up your foot. Put up your hand.
I'm here, set.
No, me just test the waters. Put up your hand.
Yeah, set on.
You afraid? Put up your foot and your hand.
You do it.
Come now, Angel. Put up your hand.
It's not funny.
It don't funny if it's true. Anyway, alright, stop fasting, Abby now. Make she lie down, Abby.
Me don't want you lay down for me.
Me and your baby.
Abby, stop freaking angel, so.
You're not my child. Don't lay down for me.
You know, oh, so we can be a child.
Me don't want no girl pick though. Leave me alone. Shawna. Now you hear me I want to leave me alone?
Abby.
Take down your foot.
Let me be a do not count me.
Get up!
Let me be a child now, Abby, give me something.
Me not have a tough turn like you.
You're done! Ah!
Abby, stop. Give me
Want
some
titty?
titty. Give me some of the breast.
So you give me
You want
mine.
titty?
We're going to so I said, boy, you give it. Like, somebody want some pies, huh?
Ah!
You want it?
Yes.
Show off two nice one.
Come, girl, give us.
Ah!
Get up.
Separate me off now.
Hey!
Get up after me. Come here, Angel. Come, I beat Joe. Go on over the Abby. Come here, Angel. Your time. Yeah guys, so as you can see, the battery dead. We never get 50 says a prank, we never get to finish it. We'll finish it, but we never know. So the camera did stop run, guys. So hope you still enjoy it. Watch out it, comment, subscribe, and follow up on Instagram like I said before. And we're gonna continue to keep the video then coming back to back to back. So peace out.